This is question 12 from exercise 2.4 in Text and Test 4 New Edition. We've defined three consecutive integers such that 3 times their sum is equal to the product of the larger two. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to get three consecutive integers written out in terms of one variable. So if we call our first integer x, then the next consecutive integer from x is going to be x plus 1, and the next consecutive integer from that is going to be x plus 2. So they're going to be our three integers, and we just have to solve for x to find their values. So we'll just look back to this question again. We've got 3 times their sum is equal to the product of the larger two. Well, 3 times their sum is going to be 3 times what we get when we add them up. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2. And we're told that that's equal to the product of the larger two. The larger two being x plus 1 and x plus 2. And the product meaning what you get when you multiply them. So now we just need to tie that up. On the left we're going to have 3 times 3x plus 3. And on the right, when we multiply this out, x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 2 is 2. If we further multiply out on the right, we're going to get 9x plus 9, and on the right, when we tidy that up, we're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 2. And now we're going to move everything to the same side. We're going to take the terms on the left and bring them over the equals. So we're going to get x squared minus 9x plus 3x minus 9 plus 2. And instead of writing the equals 0 at the start, I'm just going to write it down at the end over here. And then we tidy that up, we're going to get x squared, and minus 9 plus 3 is just going to be minus 6x. And then minus 9 plus 2 is just going to be minus 7. And now we need to factorize this out. So we're going to get x. So we're going to get minus 7 and plus 1, which means x is going to be equal to 7 and x is going to be equal to minus 1. And that means that our two sets, we're going to have two sets now of consecutive numbers, are going to be 7, 8 and 9, and minus 1, 0 and 1. And that is that.